Muscle soreness after a workout. What if I told you that your body might be crying out for help? And the foods you're eating could either fuel that pain or calm it down, naturally and fast. Most people rely on painkillers or rest. But today, we're revealing quick foods that can slash muscle soreness, no pills needed. This could completely change your recovery game. Stay tuned because these everyday foods pack a powerful punch. 1. Tart cherry juice, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Tart cherry juice is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds called anthocyanins. Studies show drinking tart cherry juice before and after intense workouts significantly reduces muscle soreness and speeds up recovery. The best part, it's natural, tasty, and easy to add to your routine, so next time your muscles ache, grab a glass of tart cherry juice and feel the difference. Asterisk 2. Ginger. The ancient pain reliever ginger isn't just for your tea or stir-fry. It's a potent natural anti-inflammatory. Research confirms that consuming ginger regularly can help reduce muscle pain and soreness after exercise, similar to over-the-counter pain medications, but without side effects. Try adding fresh ginger to smoothies or sipping ginger tea after your workouts. 3. Pineapple. The muscle-soothing enzyme pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme known for its ability to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Bromelain can help break down proteins that cause inflammation, speeding up your body's recovery process. Snack on fresh pineapple or blend it into your post-workout shake to calm sore muscles naturally. 4. Spinach. The magnesium-rich healer. Spinach is packed with magnesium, a mineral crucial for muscle relaxation and recovery. Low magnesium can increase muscle cramps and soreness, so loading up on spinach can help your muscles recover faster and reduce pain. Add spinach to your meals or smoothies daily to support your muscle health. 5. Turmeric. The golden root of relief. Turmeric is famous for curcumin, a powerful compound that fights inflammation and reduces muscle pain. Drinking turmeric tea or adding turmeric to your dishes regularly can significantly calm muscle soreness and improve overall joint health. Golden milk before bed. Yes, please, a simple way to soothe those aching muscles naturally. Muscle soreness is your body's way of telling you it's time to recover, and now, you've got 5 quick, natural foods to combat soreness faster and better than ever before. Which of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WellBite Daily for more science-backed health tips delivered straight to you. Thanks for watching. Here's to faster recovery and stronger muscles.